To shade an area of a design to show stopping distances, we use shading, shade by sight lines. Now here we can give the object height and the viewer height. We simply click on the stopping point and then we drag the cursor around and we can see wherever there's any obstructions highlighted in red. It's also showing the cut and fill of that line, and you can see the two heights being given. So I can then click where my site is obscured and work my way around and then shade the area, setting a color and a shading type, and that's the first stopping distance area shaded.